Okay, so the first sound-fitted versions of the Italian Gr685 Prairie Locomotive are starting to come from Rivarossi. We have got metal tender, metal boiler and chassis. I think the footplates are plastic. I think it's more to do with the thinness of them. It gets quite difficult to do it convincingly in metal without blemishes. You can see it's got LED headlamps. Don't think it carried lights on the back, so there aren't any basically. But there is a cabin light, and they've done some nice work inside the cabin there. Including a firebox glow, if I can find the right number. There. So it is TXS Sound, the HM7000 system. I am running it on the Lens DCC system, and it also programs on that nicely. You could also use the app control. Falls outside of my scope. Quite unusual details there, like the chimney there has got a grid over it. Pop the sound on. Usual NEM coupler pocket on the back there. There's 28 functions, I believe. All the usuals. So there's lots going on there. Okay, so they have included a full decoder manual in English there. My only complaint is the size of the printing. It really is, it's about 5 point. Never mind. There is a really good additional parts manual here, as well as a spare parts manual in the box. Some unusual features, so there is a little magnetic cover there. Not needed for this version, but for the analog one you can switch out lighting features. Let's roll it onto its side. So in this bag there is a front wheel with fine skill flange and a driving wheel without the traction tyres. The flanges there really do help with tight radius curves. I believe it is supposed to go around radius 1, 360. The traction tyre wheel replacement does look like quite an involved job, so I thought that was a bit brave of them. I don't like removing crank pins unless I absolutely have to, but it's there. In the more fun parts bag there are photo etch plates, what looks like a massive snow plough to go on the front, and a front coupling hook with an NEM swallowtail, so I think there is a pocket there somewhere. They have fitted it with a screw link coupling anyway, so I guess most people would probably not fit the front coupling anyway. It does spoil the look of it. Oh yes, and the main event there is this working inner con rods. Really nice idea. I'm trying to work out how much you can see from the top. Just a quick shot of the other side. You can see the speedometer drive there. So the Loco's been really worth waiting for.